What's up, guys? Mark Augustine here, and in this video, we're going to talk about the three eBay dropshipping strategies that actually work in 2025. So, like the video, subscribe, stay till the end so that you could really absorb and take in the information I'm putting out there. Comment. I've been responding to comments and videos. So if you have any specific questions, let me know in the comment section. I could answer them in a video. And also, if you want some one-on-one free help, I'll put a link to my calendar. They're limited spaces where I'll get on a call with you, go through your eBay account, even talk into YouTube, internet marketing, whatever help you need in your mainly eBay dropshipping, but your online entrepreneurship journey. Check the link in the description for my calendar. So like the video, subscribe, let's get into the video. So the three types of eBay dropshipping strategies are one, the sniper method. The sniper method is something that I coined maybe about 7 years ago, and I'll explain what that is. Secondly, the bulk method. The bulk method is something that I think Jack Pittman would have coined, although his strategy with the bulk method was not successful at the time. Over the years, we've been able to update it and add AI and create a successful system through it. And the product substitution method. The product substitution method is a little advanced version of the sniping method, but we're gonna talk about those three strategies today. So like and subscribe. So one, the sniper method. The sniper method is a process where you get on eBay. You could either start on eBay or the source. Let's talk about Amazon. There are a lot of people that use Home Depot and Walmart, but let's just talk about eBay and Amazon for the simplicity of this video. The sniper method is simply finding other drop shippers and sniping their items. What do you mean sniping their items? So you're finding other people on the eBay platform that successfully drop ship from Amazon, for an example, and you take the exact, once you confirm that their listings have sold multiple times, and you find the source and you find a profitable item, you list that exact same item with the exact title, the same images for the most part, and simply lower the price by as little as 5 cents. What that does is you take advantage of the eBay, you confirm that that item sells, and you take advantage of the eBay algorithm and you take the sales from that person. So the advantages of that process is that you pretty much guarantee sales when you dropship on eBay, but it takes a lot longer because you have to manually go through and find these sellers and snipe their items. And generally the profit margins are a bit low. But that is one way that I personally have built eBay dropshipping stores over the years, and there are still people today that execute the sniper method when building an eBay dropshipping store. At Ecom Sniper, we also encourage our guys, if you want to boost your sales in the beginning, to snipe some items. But the bulk method that I'm going to get into secondly is a simpler method if you don't have the time. So number two, the bulk method, bulk theory. So what bulk theory is listing thousands of items, a minimum of 10,000 items, to actually get some data and actually get some sales on your eBay dropshipping store. Now, there are certain tweaks that we at Ecom Sniper implement and use AI in order to list more accurately and quicker. But even as long as 7 years ago, Jack Pittman used to download a lot of automatically download the items from Amazon and then upload them to eBay. Although that will generate some sales, that is not an efficient and systematic way to do bulk theory. Now, the third, and I think one of the more interesting ways, and I'll do a more in-depth video in the soon, actually showing you guys the sniper method, bulk theory method, and the product substitution method. But the third method is the product substitution method. Like, it is similar to the sniper method where you find other sellers and get their high volume sold items. But unlike the sniper method, one, you can use both dropshippers and regular eBay sellers to take their titles and substitute what you're selling with that title for a similar product from, let's say, Amazon, and lower their price. So although you're not selling the same item, you are still taking advantage of the traffic on eBay. And it is a way that you could grab sales from other sellers if you find an appropriate substitute for that title. So like the video, subscribe. I will break down these 3 strategies of eBay dropshipping in follow-up videos one by one, where I go into my computer and I show you exactly how to execute on them. But in this video, I just wanted to explain what they are and how the mechanisms of how they work. If you implement any of these strategies in your eBay dropshipping business, let me know in the comment section, because that will be really interesting. And I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Have a good one, guys.